All right, we're making a healthy, better for you vanilla cinnamon quick cheesecake with a chocolate cinnamon cereal crust. We're gonna be using Levels vanilla cinnamon and Levels vanilla casein protein. So let's get into it. We're gonna be using 32 ounces of 0% fat Greek yogurt, 1/3 less fat cream cheese, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, and 1.5 cups of your favorite cinnamon cereal. First things first, we're gonna get the 8 ounces of Greek yogurt into a mixing bowl. Next, you're gonna wanna take your cream cheese, put it straight in, and then you're gonna wanna mix the two together. Next thing, 2 scoops of vanilla cinnamon whey, Levels, of course. Then you're also gonna want 2 scoops of Levels vanilla casein. The casein is important because it has a cakier like texture. It'll really help bring the mixture together. It also is added protein. So grab about an 1/8 ounce ramekin. You wanna leave room at the top to put in your chocolate cinnamon cereal crust. You wanna smooth out the top so you get a nice like flat, so you can put in your chocolate and cinnamon cereal crust on there. You're gonna wanna crush up your cinnamon cereal crust. All right, so next we microwave our dark chocolate chips. You want to put it in the microwave for a minute or two, stopping every 30 seconds just to make sure it doesn't burn. All right, so now you got your liquidy chocolate. Carefully pour that chocolate on each top. Next step is the best part, the crust. Once you got your crust on, put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. When it's done, take it out of the freezer and enjoy a healthy, high protein cheesecake.